tarik na naman ang aanay natin. That's just to slow down the speed.
Twin plants.
Oh,
Red
okay.
ones.
Parang may takip
Twin
sa-
plants, the red.
Speed limit 50 kilometers. Let's see wala kasama. And then pagkas kayo, yung anak niya, her daughter works for the Chanel Chanel charity foundation program. And then the husband, a French guy, is the regional director for Louis Vuitton. I don't know. Branded!
Charity Foundation naman yung anak
Charity
eh.
programs. Huh?
Charity naman yung anak
Her
eh.
husband is what? Works for
Who
Louis
this?
Vuitton.